Hi, I'm Scott Miller with our Screamin' Eagle Performance Division. Today I want to talk to you about our Stage 4 upgrade level from Screamin' Eagle. With Stage 4, we address the entire top end of the engine while still keeping it a bolt-on upgrade. Stage 4 delivers the highest horsepower possible while still maintaining that durability and reliability of your engine. Now I want to go over the Stage 4 from Milwaukee 8 today and address what's included in the kit, talk a little bit about what's expected, and give a general overview of the installation. Screamin' Eagle has developed these kits and spent the time to make sure that they not only deliver on performance, but are also well integrated into the motorcycle, and so that the installation is seamless. Stage 4 uses the same high compression pistons and larger diameter cylinders from the Stage 3 kit, so make sure you check out that video to learn more about those components. Now, in addition to that, the Stage 4 feeds air through our larger 64mm throttle body, compared to the original equipment 55mm throttle body that feeds a ton of air into the engine. And that's fed through a cast aluminum manifold. That manifold feeds unique Screamin' Eagle CNC ported cylinder heads. Now these are actually a unique casting to deliver not only high volume air, but also high velocity air. So in the past, in other applications, we've been able to take a stock cylinder head and CNC port it to deliver more flow. Well, guess what we tried first? Exactly that. What we learned is that the Milwaukee 8 cylinder head actually flows a ton of air. So for Screamin' Eagle to increase horsepower, we actually had to cast our own ports and make them a little bit smaller to increase the velocity of the air. That is the key to delivering more horsepower. So in order to take advantage of all those top-end improvements, we include a unique cam with the Stage 4 kit. Our Screamin' Eagle 515 cam delivers the highest lift of any of our cams. And just like with the Stage 3 kit, that requires high-performance valve springs. So those come pre-assembled into the heads. And just like other stage kits, the other components, like the high-capacity lifters, cam bearing, the clutch components, and all the necessary gaskets are included in the kit to make sure the integration into the motorcycle is seamless. The Stage 4 kit comes with Screamin' Eagle badges that are pre-assembled to the cylinder heads. Now you can also add the Screamin' Eagle timer cover to your upgrade to show a little bit more of what's inside. Now let's talk performance. The Milwaukee 8 107 to 114 Stage 4 kit delivers up to 24% torque improvement and up to a 50% horsepower improvement over an original equipment vehicle. Now again, this performance is targeted at that higher RPM. So this customer is looking for that high RPM horsepower that pulls all the way up to the red line. The peak torque is actually about the same as the Stage 3. You'll just start to feel it at a higher RPM. So let's go over a general overview of the installation. Now like a Stage 3, this remains a top-end upgrade, so the engine stays in the motorcycle. We also keep that bolt-on promise, so there's no specialized machining required to integrate the components into the engine. So like a Stage 3, you remove the cylinders and cylinder heads from the engine and also replace the cam with the Screamin' Eagle camshaft. So this allows us to keep the installation in that 3-wrench category. And when dealer installed, your engine and your motorcycle warranty remains intact. Nobody else can say that. All right, that's a general overview of the Stage 4. If you've got additional questions, check out your local dealer for more information. So for now, keep it fast. We'll see you down the road.